Auntie Jo here with Auntie Jo Sews. So today I was going to show you, when I finish this up actually, a Pooh, the Sweetest Christmas Little Golden Book Junk Journal. It's almost done. It's pretty cute and all. But I actually found a really crazy listing on eBay for some. I found it by accident. I was looking for some stuff to work on in my crafting journals with, because I do a lot of vintage stuff and have those in my Etsy store and my regular store, vintage journals. And I'm out of vintage journals, so I wanted to find something because I repurpose and upcycle everything. And I thought, well, maybe somebody's got something they don't want anymore. So I actually found this book, and it actually came apparently with 4 other books. I didn't realize they were this big. Like, these are huge. This is at least 14 or 15 inches. And I'm opening with you for the first time right now. I have 5 of them. And I'm going to open them up one at a time, so there'll be a quick little break between the videos. But I thought these were so cool. And so many of you guys like the junk journaling and the vintage paperwork and all the ephemera that comes with it. So I thought maybe you guys would like to see me open it. So here's the first one. And quick, for full disclosure, I was going to open it on camera, but the box is so big and they had these packaging peanuts and then it was wrapped in this squishy styrofoamy stuff. And then it was wrapped in paper. I'm like, there's no way anybody is going to sit through all the crinkling of this noise. So I did open them. I sat them down. I have not opened this one. I opened up just for the first couple page or two here. And I'm like, you know what? Maybe you guys like to see it. So you can go through it with me for the very first time. So this is the first one, and then we'll have a break through each one. And I also, once the video's up, I'll put little timer things in there. So if you want to see each one instead of just watching me, but I usually try and go quick because I don't want to bore you to death. So the first one, Record Keepers KOTM Cash Book. So again, these are huge. My goal was I was going to put these in some junk journals and make copies so that folks could use them themselves. Like I have digital downloads like you get off Etsy and stuff. I have those in my store, and people like to use those and do their own thing. So I thought that would be the case. I'm now thinking at this big, that's not going to be the case. So here's the first page. It says amount brought forward by cash paid. And that is the first page. And can you see the writing? Some of it's pencil, some of it's pen. It's pretty cool. I think this was going to be pretty laid back journal. It's just, or ledger. So you can see the writing and the pages. I don't know much about it. Like I said, I literally just got it. The date on these, I believe, let's see if it has a date. We got the months here, but I don't know. It's got to be 1860s, 1870s, somewhere around there. So very old. I do not see any actual dates other than the month. So, but this is super cool. You can see they actually had some erasure marks where this is all, you could feel it, where somebody has done a tremendous amount of erasing to the point that it just about ripped a hole in the page. And here's some purple ink. Oh, this one's written all in purple ink. Let me see if I can get a close up for that one for you. Oh, very cool. I just imagine somebody sitting in their little office with their dipping well, their ink well, and their little fountain pen and working away. So this seems to be, here's another page of the purple ink. Basically, we'll skip through here. I don't want to, like I said, bore you since it's all basically just names and numbers. I am looking for a date. I don't see a date anywhere. Right, and then we've got pencil. And let's see if we've got any blank pages. I don't know if we have any blank pages or not. Lots of pencil stuff, a couple of sheets here. So this is, oh, we do. Okay, let's see. We have some blank ones here. Let's see how many blank ones we have, because I know people like to use these. So, we do have some blank ones. Then we have some ones that are way in the back. I don't know what the significance of them being way in the back is. So, all right. So that is, does it have a year? Oh, okay. So 1899. So that is the first ledger book. Oh yeah, if I would have maybe looked at the front, I could have seen. It says, oh no, a state of something I can't. Michigan? Yeah, state of Michigan. tent number 89. Don't know what that means. Anyway, so that's the first book. I'll be back with the second one in a minute. All right, so here is the second ledger. So it looks to be a little torn in the front here. So let's see what we got. Okay, so this one is all ABC stuff, like maybe a phone book, but they had phones back then, but I'm guessing this isn't a phone book. It's okay, so I don't know what it says. Is it suspended, expelled, withdrawn, or died? I'll hold that up for you there. Any idea why or what that means? So I guess that would be the date, like, you know, had your money in there, I guess, and it's some sort of admission rate of assessment. So I have no idea. Maybe if you guys are watching and you have any idea what this could be, I do not know. That says you left by assessment. So I guess when the account's over, it says by assessment. I don't exactly know what that means. So then we've got some stuff in the back here, which is written in pencil. I could feel it. And I don't have any idea what this is. So, oh, check it out. Oh, a little bag or so. Oh, that's pretty cool. You could see, I guess that would be the original color of this ledger. And this looks like maybe a flower, or I want to say four-leaf clover is not what you normally put in these books, but it doesn't look like a four-leaf clover, but I don't know. Anyway, so this is the second book. 1899 is the date. All right, so let's see. And so move that one. Where's the next one? All right, let's try this one. Oh my God. I was gonna, maybe I should have gotten the book out and then turned the camera back on. This one's kind of heavy. So let's see here. Oh, okay. This actually says, oh, it's upside down. Daybook on the spine. There's the spine. And Eastfield, Center, and West. Don't know any of that means either. Foxing on it. Okay, so this says Bank West Church something sub. I think that's something on December 25th. Who's working on Christmas, right? 100 and some years ago. So there's yeah, these are all December 25th. I don't have any idea what I'm looking at. Absolutely none. So, but I'm not going to bore you with turning all the pages. But it's Home Factory, something Schooner. Let's see if there are any blank pages. I know folks like to use the pages in these books for stuff. The first one I think had some blank pages. The second one I looked at did not have any. Oh, hey, here we go. Here we go. Ooh, what's this? Hang on. Oh. Wow, so they're 1910 or maybe these are combinations. I don't know. Crazy. But lots of blank pages here. Wow. Lots of blank pages. Very cool. All right, so that's this first or second, third ledger. I'll be back with the other ones. They're heavy. I got to get them in a position. Okay, so here's ledger number 4, and it is incredibly heavy and big. So let's see what's in here. I did see when I picked it up, it does, ooh, it's crinkling. It's got like mold on the bottom. So we'll see. This says the R&B Company's revised bank forms of Richmond and Backus Company. See what we got here. Register. I don't think it's all blank. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. So, wow, the handwriting is gorgeous. Look at that. Just fantastic. So, let's see what we got. Looks like a lot of, like, it's taking up the whole, the whole seed. There we go. Just very, very cool. And again, I'm not going to bore you with going through every page, but see if we got anything that sticks out. Maybe some more flowers like in the other one or something. But this one looks to be pretty well, every line has been written on there. And it's just very old. I think this is like late 18. Oh, hang on. Okay, so 04. So this is 1904. Hang on, what do we got? 0607. And it ends in 07. And then Wow, we've got a lot. It looks like all these are blank. And these pages are huge and intense. I mean, this is some thick register paper. So anyway, so that's that one. And I have one more. Jeez Louise. All right. I think this is the other one. Know if which way we're supposed to be opening them here. Okay, so this one is kind of purple ink again with some pencil. Fairfield, October 74. Huh. Okay, so 1874, and then what's this? So, oh, you can see this. Check this out. It says on November 17th, 1879, when I received this book of somebody, Grandy, something. This day, 6 pages torn out or gone, or something, something, something. So somebody is saying, hey, dude, I got this book apparently 5 years after that. And yeah, because there's 1875 right there. That 6 pages are missing. Now I got some weird color. I think the ink looks like this because the iron or something with the way the inks were made back then. It does something. I don't know what. But again, if you guys know what happens to the ink, I think it has something to do with iron, and the iron turns different color. But I know it doesn't turn green like that. Or maybe it does. I don't know. But yeah, this is pretty crazy. This is all dipped, the quill pen ink. So very, very cool again. Very cool. And then we go 15 years forward, 1890, 1892, 1897. So, oh, and another sheet of paper. Fairfield, December 1902, raid of somebody, Baker Sue Fairfield Ladder Corporation, $15. And, oh, so that must be received. Okay, received from. So there we go. So here is, this got a lot of empty pages too. Very awesome. So page 51 to, what was that? Oh, what's this? Wow, that's just crazy. Wow, so this is the original color of the ledger. How insanely cool is that? Just very, very cool. That is the original color. That is probably the coolest thing today. Wow, very cool. So I'm going to put that back the way it was. And then we got some more pages here written on in the back. So there we go. So that was this ledger. So those are 5 ledgers that I wanted to show you. And this must be where the 6 pages are missing out of. I don't know how he counted 6, but he was pretty thorough on that. So yeah, so it ends, and like the last thing looks like 1884 here. So that is the last ledger that I've gotten. And I'm going to have some of this stuff as digital printouts and stuff in my store. Normally I like to bring everything back over and kind of show you everything, but today they're just kind of big, and I don't think I'm going to get them all in the screen. So anyway, I'll be back maybe tomorrow later on with the Winnie the Pooh book when it's finished. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a moment and do so, and happy crafting.